So, hello everyone, welcome to the another video for contest problem discussion. So today I am going to discuss the solutions for Codeforces around 938 division 3, which was held yesterday. I was unable to give it, but I have solved it just now before recording. So let's discuss. I was able to solve 4 problems, so let's dive into its solutions. First question is yogurt sale. Let's see what this question is trying to say. The price of one yogurt at the Wasmio Rochka stores is A bulls, but there is a promotion where you can buy 2 yogurts for B bulls. Maxim needs to buy exactly n yogurts. When buying 2 yogurts, he can choose to buy them at regular price or at the promotion price. What is the maximum amount of bulls Maxim should spend to buy n yogurts? Okay, so we need to calculate like what is the minimum amount, he need to spend to buy the n yogurts. Okay, so it is given that he can buy 1 yogurt at a bulls. For simplicity we will consider as rupees. Okay, so if he wants to buy 1 yogurt, he can spend a rupees, but there is a promotion where he can buy 2 yogurts for b rupees. Okay, so we need to find whether he should buy 1 yogurt or 2 yogurts, like which will give us minimum cost. Okay, so what I did was simply mathematics. We are given 3 integers n, a and b. Okay, so n means we want to buy 2 yogurts. Okay, so if we want to buy 2 yogurts, what we shall do? See, if I consider buying 1 yogurt, so I need to spend a rupees. So taking the first case, if I spend a rupees for buying 2 yogurts, okay, so 1 yogurt is for 5 rupees, 1 yogurt is for 5 rupees, so 2 yogurt will be of 10 rupees. Okay, so if I spend if I buy 1 yogurt, so I need to spend 2 rupees to buy 2 yogurts. Okay, but if I use the promotion scheme, that is if I buy 2 yogurts for b rupees. Okay, so here are 2 yogurts, I can buy both at rupees 9. Okay, I can buy both at rupees 9. So which is the minimum cost? 9 rupees, right? Which is the promotion cost. Okay, so the answer for the first test case is 9. For the second test case, we need to find we need to buy 3 yogurts. Okay, so if we buy 3 yogurts single, like at a single price, so what will be the total cost? 5 rupees for 1 yogurt, 15 rupees for 3 yogurts. Okay, so if we buy 1 yogurt at one time, we need to spend 15 rupees for buying 3 yogurts. But if I use the promotion scheme, so what will happen? If from this 3 yogurt I will buy 2 yogurts at 9 rupees. Okay, I will buy 2 yogurts at 9 rupees and 1 yogurt is remaining. So 1 yogurt I will buy at single rupees, that is a rupees. So what will be the total cost? 9 plus 5, 14 rupees. In 14 rupees I can buy 3 yogurts. Okay, so what I did was just calculated the minimum of buying via a rupees and buying via b rupees. Okay, so let's see the code. Sorry, here it is. So I have taken this input, and this condition is very important because see, if first let's see why I did this. So I can buy 2 yogurts at b rupees. So if I have 10 yogurts, so I need to calculate, I need to group it. So total number of groups of two yogurt will be n divided by 2, and that much cost is multiplied by b. Okay, so this much cost I need to pay when I buy via another scheme, and this much cost via first scheme. Okay, so if n is odd, then I can buy n divided by 2 yogurts. Okay, but if n is even, then one yogurt will be remaining. In case of 3, as we seen before, in case of 3 we can buy 2 yogurt at b rupees, but at the end one yogurt is remaining, so we need to buy that one remaining yogurt at a rupees only. Okay, so if n is odd, so then we can buy n divided by 2 yogurts at b rupees and remaining one yogurt at a rupees. Okay, or I can buy or I can buy this all yogurt at a rupees, and I can give a print answer. Okay, so this will be accepted. Okay, let's dive into second question. So what does this question states? Progressive square. Okay, a progressive square of size n is an n cross n matrix. So we are given a 2D matrix of n cross n, which is square matrix. Maxim chooses three integers a11. A11 means first element of matrix. Okay, this is the one base index. So a11 and c and d are the two integers. Okay, so Maxim chooses these three integers randomly and constructs a progressive square according to following rules. Okay, so he just chooses three numbers: a11, the first element of matrix, c and d, and he uses these three elements to generate whole matrix. Now let's see how the whole matrix is generating. Okay, so this is the formula for generating the matrix. Okay, initially the matrix will be empty. Initially only this element will be set. Okay, and this all are unset. This all are unset. Okay, now we are standing here. Now we need to fill its right element and its bottom element. Okay, at any place you are standing, you can fill you can fill element to its right and to its bottom. Okay, so I am standing here initially. I can fill this and I can fill this. Correct. Now how we have to fill this? So if you want to fill the right element, you need to apply this formula. You need to add d to your current element. If you want to fill bottom element, you need to add c to your current element. Okay, so this is the example. We have a11 is 1, c is equal to 2 and d is equal to 3. So I am standing here. I need to fill this value. So if I want to fill right value, I need to add d to current value. So 1 plus 3 is 4, and if I need to fill bottom, I need to add 2 to my current value. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, now I am here. From here I can fill this and this. So for right plus d, 4 plus 3 is 7, bottom plus 2, 4 plus 2 6. So in this way you have to generate this matrix. Okay, or we can say Maxim generated this matrix. So what happened next? Last month Maxim constructed a progressive square and remembered the values. Okay, he constructed the square and he remembered the values, the numbers which are present inside the matrix. Recently he found an array b n of n square integers. Okay, so we are given an array b of n square integers in random order and wants to make sure that these elements are element of that specific square. Okay, so it is a very simple question to understand. Like we just need to check this whether this given array b contains all the elements of that progressive square that he remembered. Okay, so I simply brute forced it. Like I generated this matrix, I stored every elements in an array, I compared that array with B. If that array matches, I just printed yes, uh, else I just printed no. Okay, so let's see how I was able to generate the matrix. So here is the solution for it. I had taken three integers n, c and d. I had taken a list. This is the, I have given a, but this is b. Okay, this is list b of that n square integers. Okay, this is that list that we are provided with, and I generated a 2D matrix here, which was initially initialized by -1. Okay, -1 specifies that we did not fill that value using that formula. Okay, so we can say that it is still unexplored, so it will help us to update the values, like which value we want to update and which value we want to skip. Okay, so I initialize the matrix with -1, 2D matrix of n cross n. Now what will be the first element? Okay, what will be the first element? We are not given first element. Okay, wait. Here. We are given three integers n, c and d, correct? And we are given n square integers of array b. Now we are not given this a11. What will be the first element of matrix? You need to think what will be the first element of matrix, and it is very easy to think that first element of matrix is obviously 1. Minimum element. Okay, first element of matrix is obviously the minimum element from this array. Why? Because you are always adding some positive number, not a negative number. You are always adding a positive number to a positive number. So what will happen? It will always increase, it will never decrease. So if you do not take minimum element and taken the first element of this array, you are never going to generate 1, because we are never decreasing, we are only increasing. So to select the first element of array, we need to choose minimum element of this array. This is given in random order. We need to check whether this order is correct, like whether the elements present in array is correct or not. This is a random order, so we need to decide which is the starting element. Okay, so minimum element will be the starting element. That's what I did here. Minimum element is the starting element, correct? And I set first element of my array to that minimum element. Okay, now only first element 0, 0 is initialized, else everyone is -1. Okay, now I traverse in 2D matrix, and here I checked. I am currently standing at I, j. Now I will check this boundary condition whether it is out of bound or not. Okay, so if I plus 1 is less than n, okay, then only I can update it. And also, if array of I plus 1j is equal to -1, if it is still unexplored, if it is still unupdated, then only I will update it. If it is already been touched, I will not do it. I will tell you how this condition will occur. Okay, so let's take this example. Imagine this all are -1, this all are -1, all are -1, only this is 1. Now I updated this and this. Now I am here. I updated this and this. Now I am here. Okay, now I cannot update this, so I will update this. Now I am here. Now you can see, after now I am here, and what will I do? I will update this and this, but This is already updated by 4. I do not need to update it by 3. Okay, so that's what I did here. I uh, just check whether it is unupdated or not, then only I updated it. So when I am moving down, I will add C. When I am moving right, I will add D. Okay, now I collected all elements of the 2D array in another array. I sort both array, B random array and this, and if both are equal, I printed yes, else no. Okay, very simple, very simple. Okay, okay, close this, close this, close this. Okay, see, let's now talk about the third question of our contest. Let's read. N ships set out to explore the depths of the ocean. Okay, so like, and there are n ships, they are going to explore the ocean, and the ships are numbered from 1 to n. Every ship has a number: first ship 1, second ship 2, and end ship n, and follow each other in ascending order of the I ship has durability I. Okay, so each ship has some durability, you can also say strength. So all the ships are followed by the ships in ascending order of their durability. Like suppose first ship has durability 5, then the second ship will have durability 7, third ship will have durability 10. So the ships are in line and they are sorted in ascending order by their durability. Okay, so weakest ship is first, strongest ship is last. Next, the Kraken. Kraken is many of you might know that it is the extinct, I guess, octopus Kraken. So, like Meg, the largest living shark, it is the largest, like extinct shark, it is the largest extinct octopus. So, attacked the ships K times in a specific order. Okay, he will attack K times only, not more than K times. Okay, he will attack K times to a ship in a specific order. We are given some order, like how will this Kraken is going to attack our ships. So first it attacks the first ship, then last. Okay, alternatively it will start by attacking first ship, and next time it will attack last, then first, then last. Okay, and so on. Now each attack by Kraken reduces the durability of ship by 1. Okay, so whichever ship is being attacked by Kraken, its durability will be reduced by 1. Okay, now we want to tell, after doing K attacks, how many ship will survive. Simple, very simple to understand it. Okay, if the durability of ship becomes 0, it will die. Okay, it will sink, and we will then attack the ship behind it. Okay, suppose here is an example. This is the given array. So first ship has durability 1, second ship has durability 2, third ship has durability 4, and fourth ship has durability 3. Okay, next, the Kraken. Where will Kraken attack? So Kraken will attack 5 times. Okay, he will attack 5 times. So first time, where will it attack? It will always start from first. It will attack it. Okay, now durability of first ship is 1. It gets attacked, it gets reduced by 1. So the durability of first ship becomes 0, it sinks. So we need to remove this from our array. Now the second turn, where will Kraken attack? Kraken will attack at last ship. Okay, so durability of last ship becomes 2. Now first ship. Okay, so first ship becomes 1, then last ship, last ship becomes 1, then first ship becomes 0, and it will sink. So and the 5 attacks are done. See, 1 2 3 4 5. At the end, 2 ships survive. Okay, so we need to return the number of ships that survives after K attacks. Okay, so Here is an example. These are the input cases. We are given two integers 4, 5. 4 is the length of array and 5 is k. How many times Kraken is going to attack the ship. Next we are given the array, that is a durability array of every ships. Okay, so let's talk about first intuition. Okay, intuition about it. We can brute force it. Just do just take a flag f is equals to 1 and start from first ship. Okay, now if the run a loop from run a for loop for k times. Okay, for in range k. Now attack the first ship, reduce it by 1. If the first ship if the durability of that ship becomes 0, just pop it from the array and keep changing your flag. Okay, so keep changing your flag, and after the loop is done, you can just print the remaining number of elements in your array. Okay, another method is just apply this. How will you apply maths? Okay, just a minute. So how will you apply maths? Can I access internet? Yes. So we are given ship 1, 2, 3 and 4 in first example, correct? 1, 2, 4, 3 and k is equal to 5. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 3 and k is equals to 5. Tell me how much this ship can resist. How much this ship can resist if I attack this. Are you able to see anything here? This is k plus 1 divided by 2. This is k divided by 2. Okay, are you able to see this? Yes, I know you can. So we got first mathematical thing we need to do in our code. We will just calculate this two things, t1 is equal to 1 and t2. Now next step is what we will do with these two things, t1 and t2. Okay, as you can see, the front ships are being attacked how many times? K plus 1 divided by 2 times. Back ships are being attacked how many times? This k by 2 times. So if I checked how much ship from the front can resist this much. Okay, suppose consider a situation, you and your friend are standing and a boxer comes. You are standing at first position and your friend is standing at back position. Okay, and a single boxer, it will hit you first, it will hit your friend. Okay, so how much durability you must have? Half the durability boxer is punching with power to you, because half will be resisted by you, half will be resisted by your friend. Okay, so how much ship can resist this much durability? We need to check that. Okay, so in case here uh, I what is 5 plus 1 divided by 2? 3. What is 5 divided by 2? 2. Okay, so what is this sum? 3. This will cancel out. What is this? Okay, I will, okay, sorry. How 3? Okay, 3, 3 and 2. So Kraken will attack to this will sink, and this attack will be 2. Now Kraken will attack both 2 attacks to this will become 0. Now Kraken is unable to attack at front ship because front attack power is 0 now. Okay, and how much ships have sinked from the front? 2 ships. Okay, so we will increment our answer by 2. Okay, and now how much attack Kraken can attack at the back ships? 2. So it will attack to back ship, so this will become 1. Okay, now Kraken have no more attacks, no, not from backward, not from front. Okay, and how much ships are remaining? 2 ships are remaining. That is our answer. That is our answer. Let's see what I did here. What I did, I take the 2 integers n and k, and I take the array. Okay, this n and k and array, the ship's durability. If this sum of array, if I have suppose k, suppose what I was telling here, suppose what is the sum? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 10. Suppose I have k is equals to 11. I have k is equal to 11. What does it mean? This means Kraken is able to attack all the ships. Okay, he will attack this, it will need energy 1. He will attack this, it will need energy 3. To after this is been attacked, it will sink. He will completely attack this, he will need energy 2, and after attacking this he will need energy 4. So minimum number of energy he required is 10, but he have more energy. After killing this 4 ship, he can kill another ship also with 1 durability. Okay, so if this is the case, he will be able to kill all the ships. So simply answer will be n. All the ships will be killed by Kraken. Else here the first ships, how much energy will require to kill first ships? K plus 1 divided by 2. Second back ships will be requiring k by 2 energy. Okay, now I am traversing from first ships. Okay, if the durability of that ship is less than this, then only Kraken can attack now. So we will decrease the energy of Kraken and we will make this 0, because that ship will sink. Okay, if this is not the case, we will break, because Kraken cannot jump, like if he cannot kill this ship, so he cannot jump here, he need to kill this first. So if he is not able to kill this, we will break, because that will make no sense. So else break, and we will do the same thing but from the reverse direction. So I reverse the array, I did the same thing I did here, and I just printed the answer. That's it, and it will get accepted. Okay, that was all about the third question. Okay, so let's talk about the fourth question. This is the last question. Let's see, 94% tested. Okay, so Codeforces does not allow me to submit my solution because of testing. So I just did here. Okay. Let's see what does this solution states. Maxim has an array A of n integers and array B of m integers. Okay, m is always less than or equal to n. Okay, so array B will always be less than or equal to A. Maxim considers an array C of length m. Okay, he will consider it to be good if the elements of array C can be rearranged in such a way that at least k of them matches the elements of array B. Okay, so okay, it might be confusing, so we will read this example. For example, if B is equal to this and k is equal to 3, what does this mean? When a new array C of m is generated, at least 3 elements from that array should be matched with array B. Okay, so suppose we generated this array C 4 1 2 3. So how many elements are matching? All the elements are matching. Okay, so this is good because at least 3, we can match 3 and more. So 4 elements are matching, it is good. 2 3 4 5, how many elements are matching? 3 elements are matching, so it is also good. But 1 2 3 4 while 3 4 5 6, 3 4 5 6, how many elements are matching? Only 2 elements are matching, so this is not good. 3 4 3 4 is also 2 elements are matching, this is also not good. Okay, so we need to count how many total like segments, subsequence we can generate such that this condition holds, that such that good, they are good. Okay, so Maxim wants to choose every subsegment of array A of length m as the elements of array C. Okay, so what is Maxim doing? Maxim is doing this is this, suppose these are the array A. Maxim wants to choose every m elements of array A. Suppose m is equals to 3. So he will first choose these 3 elements. He will check whether at list k elements lies in B or not. If it lies in B, then we just need to answer plus plus. Now he will increment, it will take this subsegment, do the same thing, he will increment, choose this subsegment, do the same thing, he will do up to n minus m plus 1. Okay, this is simple maths. Why n minus m plus 1? He is creating a segment of m size. Okay, and we total have n. So where will it stop? This is n, this is m, so this is n minus m plus 1. This point, after this point he cannot go, because if he goes out of this, he will go out of bound. He will go out of bound. So we need to run for loop till this range. Okay, so that is the first thing we need to do. Another thing, this is something like a rolling. If some of you might have studied Rabin-Karp algorithm, so we did the same thing. We create a hash of this. If you don't know, you can just watch the video online on YouTube. The resources are available. So we just create a hash, and then if we want to create hash of this, what we did, we delete the hash of this, we add the hash of this, so the new hash will be generated. Same we will do. What so we decided what we have to do. We need to delete the previous elements and we need to add the next element. Okay, but how can we be assured that at least k elements are present or not? Okay, so if I said you, like I have one, 2, 3, and I generated the array 1 and m is equals to 2 segments. What will be the answer? How many array I can like how many elements can be mapped from this to this? Two elements. Two elements will map. Okay. Wait, I will tell you with an example. Suppose this is an example. This is an example. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The first segment will be, what will be the first segment? 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I need to check whether the elements of this is matching here or not, what will I do? I will store this element in a map. Correct? I will store this element in a map and I will traverse this array, and if the elements are present in map, I will increment my counter. If that counter is greater than equal to k, then the condition is satisfied. Correct? The condition is satisfied. That it means at least k elements are matching from in this segment. Okay, the next segment will be 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 segments are matching. Next segment will be 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 segments are matching. Okay, 3 segments are matching. How many we need to match? We need to match 2 segments. 3 segments are matching. This is also correct. Next is 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 segments are matching. This is also correct, and we will stop. We will stop. Oh wait. 2 na? Okay, sorry. So we will just take two elements. Sorry. So we will just take two elements. This 2, then 1, 2, then 2, 3, then 3, 4, and so on. We just two elements, and we will check whether this is matching with whether this element is present in no, sorry. Forget. We need to take m elements. Oh, I am little bit distracted. I am so sorry for that. I think many of you might be getting little confused. See, subsegment of size m, match at least k elements. Done. Bus. So, how we implement this? Just take a look in the solution. I taken the input n, m and k. N is the array A, m is the smallest array, that is B, and k is the how much element at least can be matched. I have taken the first array as input, array A. I have taken the second array B. Okay, answer is 0. Now we need to store the frequency of each element. How many times that element is occurring. If 1, 1, 2, 3, and I have 1 and 2, how many times this element can be mapped? like we need to generate an array. So uh, so how many array, like if we need to generate an array, what is the name? We need to generate an array C of length m. Like, so which array we will generate? This two number we will generate, so that it gets matched here. So how many times this one will get mapped? One time. How many times this two will get mapped here? Two times. Like two matches, like one time, sorry, one time. So we will take minimum of a comma b. A is the count of that element in first array, b is the count of element in second array. Okay, so I stored every element in the dictionary, BRR and ARR. Next, I collected first m elements. Like I have traversed the first m elements in that array. Like how many we can match. So for m elements, I will just traverse in db.items, and I will check uh, whether that element is present in A or not. Like whether uh, this one is present. Suppose this is A, this is B. Whether this one is present here or not. If it is present, then we will count minimum of count at first and the current. Okay, so here count will be 2, here count will be 1. So this one can be mapped only one time. Like if you want to generate the array from A, so how much one we need to take? 1. So if I get the count greater than k, so that means in my first segment I got at least k matches, k elements that matches. Okay, so that will be my answer. So I just incremented my answer by 1. Now I started from m to n. Okay, because first m elements I have traversed. Now I need to check for next m elements. So I removed the previous element. This is just to handle errors, and then if the removed element frequency is, suppose after removing that element, so number of elements in my main array decreases, then I will need to decrement my counter. If the like, why? Because we are selecting numbers from array A array. So if the number of elements in that array is less than the number of elements in my array B. What is array B? We want to, that is a testing array. Like we need to select some elements from A and test whether the at least k elements are matching with B or not. So if that current element, suppose a particular element is present a less number of times in array B, so we cannot count that array to be good. Okay, so we are decrementing that our count variable and adding the next element, like the current element. I am removing this element, adding this element. Okay, so adding this element, and after adding this element, if the number of that added element currently is less than or equal to the that count in the second array, so this might contribute in our good array. So I incremented our counter, and after doing this, if I get that count is greater than equal to k, like at least k elements are matching, then I will increment my answer. So this, like, if this condition holds true, I found a good subsegment. Okay, so I increment my answer by 1 and I just printed it. So uh, I cannot show you like submitted version, but you can try this code. Just see, try this code. Here the sample inputs are passing. I assure you the all the tests will pass. It will be accepted. You can check that by submitting by your own. Okay. So that's all for today. I was just able to solve 4 questions. Like E question I attempted, but I was not able to write solution for it, so I am not covering it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I am so sorry for the last question. I got distracted, but yeah. So bye bye.